Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video for the STI. So a couple of weeks ago I sent out a part to Jason over there at Overland Design to get it wrapped in Alcantara. Well, he got it done within a day, sent it back to me, got it yesterday, and I can't wait to show you guys how it looks like. But basically it is the center console for the shifter. I had that carbon fiber overlay on it. It looks pretty good, but I really wanted Alcantara, and I've seen some people get theirs done, so I wanted him to get it done for me, and he does amazing work. I already have his armrest, his e-brake boot, and his center cup holder console thing, and all wrapped Alcantara. So yeah, can't wait to throw that part in because it's really gonna make the interior a lot better. And also I have his gauge cluster, I forgot to mention that, all in red too. It looks freaking sick. But before I had a carbon fiber piece there, swapped it out for Alcantara, so that's what I'm doing with the shift thing right there, and it's gonna look freaking sick. Well, anyways, yeah, let me just show you guys the part, and then I'll get to installing it in the car. All right, guys, well, here it is. Got it all black, got all wrapped in Alcantara with red stitching. We got red stitching on the side here, red stitching here, and I already have the shifter boot, which is gonna go right here. And this one's wrapped also by him in Alcantara. So yeah, it's gonna look pretty nice in the car like this. So yeah, basically I had a carbon fiber piece going around here, but I really wanted this piece just to match the rest of the Alcantara in the car. And man, does it look good. And I can't wait to show you how it looks in the car, because that looks freaking sick. But yeah, let's just go ahead and install it really quick, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for this video. As you can see, everything came out nice. It looks really nice, guys. Definitely did a good job. And also his other Alcantara piece lines up with the rest of the console there. So that's pretty cool, all the red stitching going up. So yeah, definitely looks good. Definitely would recommend him if you guys don't know about him. Obviously he does a lot of Alcantara work for interiors, like Honda's the new Subis, I think he does too, this STI. So yeah, looks good. And also I forgot to mention, I did get the A-pillars too, and the Alcantara red, so it matches these right here. I'm trying to see if he can do this in black, and then this in red will look pretty sick. I don't know, maybe I'll bring it up to him and see what he says. But I would honestly have to see if he can just go around this piece here and just leave the STI little emblem there, because it looks pretty cool there, and I don't want to remove it. But yeah, definitely looks good, guys. It's good. I do get a lot of questions about the dash. I did get this dash cover from Covercraft, and yeah, it fits really well. Fit with the gauge here, and then it fits up there really nice. And then I do have one for the WRX, the VB, so I might pick that up here soon too, because it just looks nice and protects the dash from the sun. So yeah, other than that, I do want to get a new iDoing, or probably a different head unit, because this one glitches out and it sucks. So definitely want to pick up a new one, or maybe switch back to a regular stock form one with Sony or some type of a big company name, even though it's just for like Android Auto and stuff. So I don't know, we'll see if I go back with the iDoing. I always wanted this because of the YouTube, but ever since I got it, I've always had trouble getting YouTube to work. Every time I try to get the internet connected to it. It's so slow, and it just doesn't work as good as I wish it would. So that way I can play some YouTube video music, and that would be pretty good. But kind of disappointed, but I know I did pay for this, so I used it for all the time that I needed. And then plus this vent right here already broke. As you can see, it's already so sucks, but it's a good unit. But yeah, I don't know what to do. Let me know in the comments, because a lot of people say just get another iDoing because they're good, you know. They do sell a lot of these, so I don't know. And plus I have the 2015 with the Harman Kardon sound system, so I needed to get the exact one for this car. And yeah, but it sucks because it reboots, it's slow, it doesn't work right. So they tried sending me an update thing, but I couldn't get it to work because I don't know. Yeah. So I might just go back to a regular stock style with either a Sony or some type of touchscreen from Best Buy or something, and just use that for now. The only reason why I picked this up is for YouTube, so, and YouTube doesn't work, so we'll see. But yeah, overall, it's easy install and it looks freaking nice. So can't wait for more, guys. Like I said, I definitely want to get some more pieces wrapped in Alcantara. We'll see what he says. If I hit him up someday and just see if he wants to wrap those for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I don't want to drag it too long, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.